What is hormones? The changes which occur at adolescence are controlled by hormones. All the changes look before controlled by hormones. These are the chemical substance secreted from endocrine gland called hormones. The changes which occur at adolescence are controlled by hormones. These changes are these are secretion from endocrine glands. Means these hormones secreted by the endocrine glands found in our body. What is testosterone? Testosterone is a male hormone secreted by testes. It controls secondary sexual character such as growth of facial hair, chest hair, produce sperm, etc. What is estrogen? It is a female sex hormone secreted by ovary which makes the breast develop. Milk secreting gland or mammary gland develop inside the breast. What is a pituitary gland? The production of hormones is under the control of another hormone secreted from an endocrine gland called pituitary gland. Pituitary gland also called a master gland because it control all the activity of the other glands or hormones. What is target site? Endocrine gland release hormones into the blood stream to reach a particular body part called a target site. The target site respond to the hormone such as thyroxine hormone goes to the thyroid gland. So thyroid gland is a target site for the thyroxine hormone. What is menstruation cycle? In female, the ova begin to mature with the onset of puberty. One ovum matured and is released by the ovaries once in 28 to 30 days. In case the fertilization does not take place, the released egg and the thickening lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off. This causes bleeding in women and is called menstruations. It occurs once in about 28 to 30 days. What are sex hormones? All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosome in the nuclei of their cell. Two chromosomes out of these are the sex chromosome named X and Y. Female has two X chromosome while a male has one X and one Y sex chromosome. Hormones other than sex hormone. These are adrenaline hormone, insulin hormone, thyroxine hormone, thyrotropic hormone. Adrenaline hormone secreted by adrenal gland, insulin secreted by pancreas, thyroxine secreted by thyroid gland, and thyrotropic hormone, in short it called TTH, secreted by pituitary gland. This diagram shows position of endocrine gland in the human body. It's a pituitary gland found in the brain region. It's a thyroid gland found in the neck region. It's a adrenal gland found in the below chest abdominal region. It's a position of ovary and testes. If the thyroid gland does not produce thyroxine, the person suffers a disease called thyroid. It's in Hindi Ghenga disease. If the if the It's a pancreatic gland. It secretes insulin. If it does not secrete insulin, person suffer disease diabetes. It means it control the sugar level of the human body. Sex determination in an unborn baby. All this diagram is showing sex determination. All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosome in the nuclei of their cell. 2 chromosomes out of these are sex chromosomes named X and Y. X and Y. A female has 2 X chromosome. Female has 2 X chromosome. While a male 1 X chromosome and 1 Y chromosome. The gamete eggs and sperms. Gametes means eggs and sperms. Have only one set of chromosome. The unfertilized egg always has 1 X chromosome. But sperm are 2 kinds. One kind of X chromosome and other kind has Y chromosome. Female only has 2 X chromosome. But male has two chromosome. One is X, other is Y. When a sperm containing X chromosome fertilize egg, the zygote would have 2 X chromosome and develop into a female. The 2 X chromosome are fertilized and develop female child. If a sperm contribute a Y chromosome to the egg and ovum, at fertilization, the zygote would develop into a male child. Okay students, bye bye. Stay at home and stay safe.